नमस्कार एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू कोसम। सो आज हम लोग लेसन नंबर 6 करेंगे एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग लेसन 6 एनी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनीवन? कोई कुछ पूछना चाहता है रिलेटेड टू ऑल 5 लेसन्स जो हमने पहले पढ़े हैं? एनी डाउट्स?
एक छोटा सा डाउट है, क्वेश्चन है।
जी बोलिए श्रुति जी।
हाँ जी, ब्रांच को प्रोनाउंस कैसे करते हैं वो वर्ड को? लर्न मेरे को वो उस पे थोड़ा स्ट्रगल।
ब्रांच बराबर है, लर्न बराबर,
लर्न
बराबर है।
ओके। एंड जो शब्द जैसे दौद में हम लिखते ओ हैं, मगर देवनागरी में लिखते हुए वो रखते हैं।
हाँ।
उसमें मैं पढ़ते वक्त में कभी कभी मुझे लगता है मैं गलत पढ़ रही हूँ। मैं द्वद बोलूंगी।
नहीं, दौदी बोल रहे हैं, दौदी बोल रहे
हैं। ओके, बट हाँ, इंटरेस्टिंग है कि वो आवाज दोनों तरह लिखने से सेम आवाज आती है। दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड
नहीं, अक्षर दोद, that is different, that is illness. That's a different thing. And dod is written differently. If you are studying in, अगर आप देवनागरी में पढ़ रहे हैं तो द और आधा वर्ड जो है वो दौद है, that is milk. एंड वो जो ऊपर वाला जो ओ वाली मात्रा, ऊपर वाला मात्रा जो है ना, ओ वाली मात्रा नहीं, ओ वाली मात्रा जो है, ओ वाली मात्रा, तो वो वाली वो उसमें दोद में आती है। So these are two different things. Same thing applies to Roman also, obviously. Sure.
Okay.
So then let us start. I think we already think
जी ठीक है, over to you then.
ठीक है, let me share the screen. काम करते हैं पहले ये टुडे आज ये श्लोक श्रुति जी आप पढ़ेंगी?
जी बिल्कुल। ओम नमामि त्वां शारदा देवी महाभागीं भगवतीं काश्मीर पूर्ववासिनीं विद्यादायिनीं रक्षमां नमामि त्वां।
थैंक यू। मनीषा तो नहीं है। अच्छा, आप नील? Oh yes, why not?
I just have a question. I have a question.
Yeah.
What language was that?
This is actually Sanskrit only. It is not Kashmiri.
संस्कृत।
But it is because it is actually ये जो श्लोक है ना, पूरे इंडिया में, especially southern India में हमेशा बोला जाता है to start anything, because this is basically beginning of it's a salutation to Sharda. ठीक है।
Thank you.
नील जी आप ही पढ़ेंगे या सीमा जी पढ़ेंगे? ये ललवाक आपस में डिसाइड कर लीजिए। सीमा जी आपने लास्ट टाइम नहीं बोला था, तो आप थे नहीं लास्ट टाइम शायद।
Yeah, you should try it.
हाँ, go ahead, don't worry. When you are period.
नमस्कार सर, मैंने आसान बहकी करे।
अच्छा नील आप बोलिए। let us do, no problem, कोई बात नहीं।
He's saying you can do it.
Next time आपको बोल देंगे, कोई बात। फिर हमारा नील जी।
Okay.
नील जी ने लास्ट टाइम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से पढ़ा था। आप देख पा रहे हैं नील जी? You are able to see this lalwak, नील जी?
I think उनकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
अच्छा नहीं, you are muted or something is not there. But their voice is an issue. Okay, no problem. और कौन पढ़ेगा? चलो let's चलो कोई बात नहीं, जब तक वो वॉइस ठीक करते हैं। शिशिर, you are Tushar or you are Shishir? So you tell me.
Both the names are mine only.
Okay, because I get confused. Last time it was Tushar. I thought मेरी कोई गलती हो गई। ठीक है, no problem. Okay, go ahead. फिर हमारा।
Okay. Amipan Sodras Navichas Kati Bozi De Mion Meti Detar Amian Takian Unizan Shaman Zub Chumbraman Gargachha.
चलो थैंक यू। थोड़ा सा और मतलब यू कैन रीड इट थोड़ा बार बार पढ़ना इंसान को ज्यादा जान गया कोई बात नहीं, डोंट वरी, ठीक है, गुड, एक्सीलेंट। ओके देन लेट अस डू समथिंग एल्स, गिव मी अ मिनट, लेट अस रिवाइज व्हाट वी डिड सो फार। तो आई वुड आस्क, चलो शिशिर से शुरू करते हैं। कैन यू जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी हियर यू जस्ट टेल मी, ठीक है? Okay, you are able to see my page, Shishir?
Yes, I am able to see.
Chalo, you can understand this, you recognize all these sounds? कर सकते हैं आप? when you think with it?
हाँ मैं
when तो हाँ शाबाश।
तो मेरे को पूरे वर्ड्स बोलने हैं क्या?
नहीं अभी यही पढ़ना तो फर्स्ट वाला वापस पढ़ लीजिए। अभी आपने जो तीसरा वाला है ना वो साउंड आपने पहले में निकाला वापस। हाँ
अच्छा, पहला है अ,
ओके,
फिर अगला है अ, फिर तीसरा है फिर फोर्थ है फिर ए, फिर ओ।
ठीक, गुड, ये पढ़ लीजिए आप, ये भी पढ़ी हुई थे क्या एक्चुअली?
ये छु स बै थ बै ज।
वेरी गुड। मनीषा जी नहीं है, मानसी, सीमा जी आप बोलिए। हाँ वेरी गुड। अच क्या गई? आए, गुड, ओके नेक्स्ट।
Mechukaron?
तो ही
Me. So Sharub Patuj.
थैंक यू। मानसी जी?
Tur. Duf.
ओके, दूफ,
Duf. Urit. Utum.
वेरी गुड, ओके। नील जी? क्या आवाज
Okay.
ठीक हो गई? ओके,
Re, claim. Ve, game.
वे क्या गो? Where's catch meaning?
I know it. Ve is poison.
Very
Be
good.
is sit. And king is anything.
King is in. Yeah, right.
And king, anything.
Okay. So, Shishir, Tushar,
हाँ जी,
पढ़ो
ओके।
ये बेटा।
ये है दौर सोप द्रोग न्योम।
सोप क्या गो?
सोप मतलब बाइट।
ओके, द्रोग
मतलब एक्सपेंसिव, महंगा।
ओके,
न्योम मतलब लेमन, नींबू।
वेरी गुड। अच्छा ये भी पढ़ो आप। वेरी गुड।
खिर इजाजत, इस्ताम, देवता। वेरी गुड।
सीमा जी?
Sheen, Iman,
Okay.
Eid,
Uh,
Seer.
what is इसका literal meaning क्या है actually? कश्मीरी से बोले हिंदी या इंग्लिश में?
Throw me a lifeline.
Imam is
I'm getting help. Fake.
I can see that. कोई बात no problem. Okay. Eid.
Eid.
Eid, I suppose, as in the holiday.
Eid.
Eid is the Muslim festival. Okay. Eid.
Yeah.
Okay. And Seer. Seer is what?
I'm also मैं उसने पता मगर यमशे वनान brick.
Yes, that's right. That's brick. Very nice. Shruti ji, sorry, I forgot you. मेरे को क्या पूरा सारा दिखता नहीं एक साथ में सभी students when I'm showing you the presentation. So, excuse me, you should actually yourself raise a hand so that I can see that. Okay. When you are up here, Shruti ji.
ये छे अक्षर छे उ लफ्ज का बुत फेस उजरत मुसीबत
उजरत क्या गो? उजरत क्या गो?
उजरत छुन में खबर ये क्या मैं नहीं याद
उजरत है सैलरी.
Pardon?
कोई काम करने के लिए जो पैसे मिलते हैं उसको उजरत बोलते हैं. It's a salary.
Oh, okay.
Okay. चलो आगे next.
मुसीबत का problem like disaster maybe. उफ्ताद तो मुझे मशहूर का मतलब.
Permishiad, Tushar.
Ustad, even I cannot.
It means distressed.
Distress. That's right. Abhi Neil is, I think, the monitor of our class. Abhi to उनको बनाना पड़ेगा monitor. Good. चलो ठीक है. Again, Shruti ji, you can read this one also.
Okay. U reference word to June, month of June. Baki chilaf is Roon gov husband. Kur gov daughter. Koot, I think Koot gov how many?
How much?
How much? Okay.
Koot go how many? Koot go how much?
How much? Okay.
Tushar. मानसी जी इसके बाद आप बोल देना. Go ahead.
मेरा नाम बोला क्या?
हाँ बोलिए, कोई बात नहीं, आप भी बोलिए. मैंने तुषार को बोला था, कोई बात नहीं. You start.
Okay, मुझे as in A as in rail. एतराज. Make. Jail.
एतराज क्या गो?
किसी चीज से एतराज करना मतलब don't agree with it.
That's right. Make.
Five.
No. Chai. Make.
Make. नहीं याद आ रहा मुझे. Make.
श्रुति जी आप बोलिए. नील जी ने हाथ खड़ा किया, मुझको पता है. अभी I want to test somebody else.
उन्होंने हिंट दिया, मुझे याद आ गया. तो नील.
Nail.
दोनों तरह के नेल.
Nail actually it is the nail which is used for fixing something, you know, and it is a big nail. It is not nail of the. It is not the nail of the finger. Okay, it is the nail which you drive into the wood. Okay, it is that, and the big nail is called make. Small nail is called cule. Okay, cule.
Cule. Okay.
Jail is jail.
Jail is jail.
ये गव ये क्या गव? ये गव numb.
You have numb. Yeah. This is numb. Inhale go numb. Okay. Tushar. Tushar, you are there? Tushar Shah, are we able to see him?
I think he dropped. Maybe he'll
Oh,
rejoin. to
ओके
fix.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. मनीषा तो अभी ड्राइव कर रही है. दिव्यांशी तो शायद बच्चे अभी आए नहीं, दिव्यांशी और श्रुति जी आप बोलो.
Okay. You go I.
हाँ.
I get to Vaikunt.
ओके.
Vaikunt go paradise.
राइट.
Ve lafuz to Eb.
एब. इसको एक्चुअली कश्मीरी में दो तरीके से होता है. एब भी बोलते हैं तो अब तिचवाना. That's why you see in the brackets with the top. Herb means what?
I again forgot. I need to check. Eb go.
Our class monitor.
It's not in my book.
Fault.
Huh?
Fault.
It's a fault, right?
Fault. Okay. Okay.
Next.
Next, Baitak.
Unfortunately, by mistake there are two dots. It should be only one dot. So okay. Okay then.
Baitak, I think, is living room.
Right.
Next, Hebung.
Haibung.
Yeah.
तो एक्चुअली लेकिन जब बोलते हैं फास्ट तो हाइबुंग बोलते हैं, but basically all is haibung. What does that mean?
I think it's a surprise. It's like an
surprise.
exclamation surprise.
Yeah, it's starters actually.
Yeah.
Okay, Seema ji आपके लिए अभी. No, Neil ji, you will not prompt. And where is Ahana today? We are missing her.
She's here. She was sitting, but she gets like really nervous. I don't know.
Don't worry. You call Neil ji, आप बुलाइए उसको. उसका nervousness दूर करना है. तब तक सीमा जी बोलिए.
Okay, yeah. O, as in mole, father. Mor, os, oluv.
Correct. More क्या गो?
I'm not sure.
More go same. हिंदी में more जो रहता है वही. Peacock.
Oh, I thought maybe, but I wasn't, I'm not so sure even in Hindi. Os, okay. I mean, I don't know, like for me it's coming.
You're right.
So os, like
right.
Was.
Okay.
Olive, potato.
Thank you. Good one. Chili ठीक है. Tushar, you have joined back? Tushar?
Yes, I have.
When you बेटा?
हाँ जी.
पढ़िए. मेरे को थोड़ा फास्ट जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो हमारा मेन क्लास उधर ही रह जाएगा. आज रिवीजन में ही निकल रहा है.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, you are not able to see properly. Now you are able to see?
I have Oshad. Oshad, Ozar,
okay.
Go.
Okay.
इतनी वर्ड लिख रहे हैं अभी.
Go. Okay. Next.
Ang.
Okay.
Ongaj. Man.
Okay. You read this also. We're not able to hear you.
Yeah.
You are able to see this? अच्छा बोझ नहीं ईवान. तुषार, श्रुति जी आप पढ़ लीजिए.
जी, ये जो syak the sand.
हाँ.
Myang.
Myang. There is no नीचे में नहीं है. हाँ. Myang. Next.
Syaf.
Okay.
यमचने में मालूम ज़िलाफ़ ये.
दोस्वेचना पता है. Mango temple. This one. This is Mang.
Okay.
Temple. Saf is a white clay.
white clay. Okay.
Okay. ये चुपेरे तो है.
Oh, oh. Sock. Sock go happiness. Dock go sadness. Bod go मेरे पास an intelligence and wisdom.
हाँ बराबर ठीक.
Okay.
नील जी आपको तो हमने अभी बाहर ही रख दिया. अभी I want you to read this.
Okay. Zoon, Sandur,
Sandar.
Sondor.
Sandar.
I was thinking, oh, sorry. Sandur.
Sandar. Ahana, you know better than your papa. Tell me now, read it. I know you can spell it better. You can pronounce it better. Bolo beta.
Yeah, just say that. This one and then this one.
Let him. He's directing.
Zoon. Very good. Excellent.
Shandor.
Sandar. Not Ur. Oh, no, not U. Sandar. Okay, good. Again, Ahana.
Cool.
Very good.
Pop.
I can't hear. You have to come a little forward. We can't hear you.
Posh.
Posh. Very good. And yeah.
Vadur.
Vathar. Very good. Excellent. Chalo, very good. Tushar. Hey, sorry, मानसी को बोलिए. मानसी जी, sorry, आप बताइए.
Pony.
Poin. Yes.
Poin. Ab.
Very good.
Mev.
Okay. Yat क्या चुना?
Dod.
Very good.
Dod.
Yat क्या चुना?
Sot.
Very good. Yat?
Palav.
Very good. Thank you, Mansi ji. Tushar? Tushar, you are there? Unmute कर देंगे? Tushar? I don't think he's able to hear us. Tushar? आपका वीडियो और आवाज दोनों नहीं आ रहे हैं. आप तब तक लाइन ठीक कर दो. श्रुति जी. हाँ बोलो. Not able to hear you, dear. I think you will have to log in again. You have some issue with the network, I think. Shruti?
You go shoes, Khorban.
Okay.
Khorban. Roof, Pash. Mountain, Sangur, Pahad.
Correct.
River, Daryav. Snow, Sheen. Compound, Angun.
सीमा जी, बैलेंस आपको बोलने हैं सारे.
Cuddle.
Very good.
Cuddle. Vat, which is path.
Nice. First class.
Garu. Home. Do. Day. Raat. Night. Sham. Evening. Subah. Morning. Hamsai. Neighbor.
But इतना ये तो मैंने आपको इसके लिए मतलब strong उसको बनाने के लिए किया. वैसे हमसाई बोलते हैं, ठीक है?
Hamsai.
That's right. Thank you. I think we are done with our
The last few were easy for me.
Last few were easy.
Because those are like Amtor words, but the other ones were really difficult for me.
Which was you choose commission Jan to commission Kharab commission
I know.
ये Shivani ji karan. You just choose your karan kuch bhai. Okay. Okay. Now let's get to the lesson. Okay. Now we have done this. I think we did I score going so lesson score as for revision. So I shouldn't have करके आपको चीज कि that आपको ये सब याद रखने पड़ेंगे मीनिंग उसका वर्ड परित्य what it actually means. तो कभी कभी वर्ड याद रहता तो उसका मीनिंग याद नहीं रहता कभी मीनिंग याद रहता तो वर्ड का प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक नहीं रहता you read both when you read both तमसा तेरे पूरा फिक्र है. Okay, let's start today's lesson. So sample sentences to remember. I want Neil to read this. I will not read this. If you don't read it properly, then I'll correct you. Okay. Very much.
Kosher parun chun kosher pun sorry kosher parun chun mushkil daf kal gatse asoin.
Asing. Absolutely perfect. You did everything excepting the asing. Perfect pronunciation. So I can read every letter on these words and then you can pronounce it properly. Perfect. Next, Seema ji. You read in Roman or you read in Devanagari? Roman.
Roman. Devanagari is difficult for me.
Okay.
Kosher
एक मिनट कशुर ओ कशुर हाँ
soin maji zev kutsa meet kutsa meet the mother.
Absolutely perfect. Perfect. Seema ji.
But learning it is tricky. चलो
श्रुति जी का ये लेसन श्रुति जी करेगी. Let me see. जिसको नहीं आएगा तो others will raise hand and let us see कि ये Mr. Tagan है so why नहीं बकाया नफर can raise hand. Okay. Moon.
Moon chip kosher lafaz Chandar.
Chandar. Zoon या Chandar. हाँ, very good.
Moon या Chandar. Tree of Kul. Flower of Posh. Leaf of Vathur. Water of Ab the point.
Okay.
Fruit ch Meow.
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 Okay. Yeah.
Milk Dwad. Bread Sort of roti.
That's so you that's it. So okay.
Clothes Palav. Shoes Khorban. Roof Pash. Mountain
Woine por respect kine? Woin por respect.
Pahad the Byak Chirag. Pahad the
Anybody else can pitch in?
Second word.
Is it ko?
Sangur.
Sangur. Okay. Next. Shruti ji continue.
River Vyat, I think.
Darya.
Okay. Darya. Snow Sheen. Compound Angun. Bridge Kadal.
Kadal.
Path Vat. Home Gar. Day Doh. Night Raat. Evening Sham. Morning Subah. Neighbor Hamsai.
Absolutely perfect. These are all words which you have used here. जो हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़े थे रिवीजन में. ओके, गुड. चलो, let's get to the next lesson. Now let me read it once and then I will ask somebody. Do, karun, work, काम करें, sit, bihun या bihun, थोद वथुन stand, go गथुन, come yun, sleep shangun, eat kyun, drink chun, chew chapun, walk pakun, run dorun, jump what tuling, cook ranun, clean saaf karun, sweep duvun, enter atsun, leave nerun, fly wooden, close band karun, open kholun या मुचरावन, read parun, write lekhun, drive chalawan, bring anun, wash halun, wash chalun, distribute burgrav. Okay. Now let us ask somebody. Mansi ji, आप पढ़िए ये सब.
Do karun, work, काम karun,
काम
काम करन्य,
करें हाँ.
sit, bihun, bihun, stand, thod vyathan, Vathun.
Right.
Go, Gatsun. Come, Yun. Sleep, Shongun. Eat, Kyon. Drink, Chyon. Chew, Zapun. Walk, Pakun. Run, Dorun. Jump, Vyat Tulun.
What tulun?
What?
Tulun?
What? Tulun. Tulun.
Right.
Cook, Ranun. Clean, Saaf Karun. Sweep, Duvun. Enter, Atsun. Leave, Nerun. Fly, Wudun. Close, Band Karun. Open, Kholun, Muchravun. Read, Parun. Write, Lekhun. Drive, Chalavun. Bring, Anun. Wash, Chalun. Distribute, Burgravun.
Yes, perfect Purute Mansi ji. Ahana, I want to give you a couple of words. Third on the top row.
You and I come out. Let her do
it. Sit.
Bahan.
Again.
Bahan.
Don't look at your mom and dad. Look at the screen and tell me. Good. They don't know anything. You know better than them. Good. Bolo beta again.
Bihun.
Bihun. Very good. Then you tell me eat. Tell me what is written.
Kayan.
KH is what? Kha. Right. And then?
Yan.
Kyon. Okay. Kyon. And sleep. Can you tell me what is written? Sleep. Shangun. Very good. Run. Doron. आपके पापा बोलते हैं आपको नहीं आता है. ऐसे कैसे नहीं आता है? उनको नहीं आता है. चलो आना, आप बोलो ये jump.
What?
Yeah.
Tuluin.
Tulain. Very good. You are reading absolutely perfectly. Tulain. You syllable आप अलग अलग कर रहे हो तो ठीक है. एक साथ में. Tulain. Tulain. Very good. Excellent. चलिए. अभी next में चलते हैं. Thank you. God bless you. चलो मानसी तुषार.
हाँ जी.
Now you are online. चलो good.
I switched to my from laptop.
Okay, okay. चलो बेटा. बोलो बेटा.
Print is छापुन. Swim is छाट बयन.
वाइन. 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 छाट वाइन. Again बोलो.
छाट वायन.
Okay.
बेद is श्रान करुन. Right. सवर करन.
Karin.
करिन.
Karin. Karin.
करिन. करिन.
Karin. Ah, very good. Cut.
कट सटुन कतरावुन. पील छल तुलुन. देल तुलुन. देल तुलुन.
हाँ.
देल तुलुन. होल्ड रटुन थफ करुन. थफ करें.
Karin. Half Karin. Very good. Excellent. Homework क्या है? Read loudly and try to remember all the above words with their meaning. Try and use them in the daily conversation. Take advantage of peer group. Abhi, I will come to that. Let me read this first. Making small sentences. An English word may have multiple meanings in Kashmiri. Please remember only the meaning given here in this lesson to avoid confusion. Later and gradually, we will learn other meanings too. Okay. You can ask questions in the class WhatsApp group or directly to teachers, volunteers to avoid confusion in the class. Let teachers, volunteers respond to the query, and then you can present your view. Okay. Now, these are some of the sentences. So let us start with Mansi. शादी श्रुति. चलो आप श्रुति आप शुरू कीजिए फिर मैं मानसी जी को. ठीक है. So you read first 3 sentences. Okay.
Okay. Come here. Yuri. Valyur.
Valyur. Both are correct. Okay. Next.
Go there. Go there is Tor guts. Hor guts. Sit down is Pathar Beh.
Correct. Neil ji, next 3 sentences.
Stand up. Thod what?
Thod.
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 Thod what?
There is no dot at the D in the bottom, so then it will be the. Thod what? What? Thod what? Okay.
Got the K.
Very good.
Drink water. Tresche.
Fantastic. Chalo, Tushar, you read something? No. You said no. आपने पढ़ा तुषार? Tushar again, I think it is frozen. His video is again frozen.
Not yet. अभी नहीं पढ़ा मैंने.
Okay. पढ़ लीजिए बेटा ये. चलो, you read from open the book.
Okay. Open the book. किताब मुचराव.
Okay.
Read the book. किताब पर. Go sleep. Guts song.
Very good. Chalo. Now next, let us take Hansi ji.
Go up. Hyorkas.
Okay.
Come down. One bus. Open the window. Dar muchrav.
Okay, good. Now, Seema ji.
Close the door. Barkar band. Switch on the light. Bijli zal. Switch off the fan. Panka kar band. No, panka kar band.
Barabar, absolutely right. Ahana? Lay the carpet.
Lay the carpet. Kalin viral,
A with double dot means, and it is not A. Curleen, and it is not A, it is E. Curleen Wahara. Curleen Wahara. Okay, next.
give me water, me,
Mede.
coin,
Or we also say
trash,
Tresh. This is A. Tresh. Okay. Very good. Chalo, good. मानसी जी आपकी श्रुति जी आपके टर्न वापस आ गए तो आप बताइए.
Okay. I ate food. मैं खाव बात. Sit on the chair. कुर्सी प्याट बेह.
Very good. Next.
Give me a rupee. मैं दे अख रुपये.
Ropai. It is not per year cho alag alag. Ropai. Per tishpur, year tishpur.
Ropai.
Okay, Mansi ji.
Go to market. Bazar guts. Listen to me. Myan kath boz.
Myan kath boz.
Myan kath.
आपको ये जस्ट आप चीज वो ना ये जब य को हलंत इसलिए लगा हमने कि तो य is to be spoken only halfway. It's not full. It is myan. Y is just that's right. Absolutely perfect.
Myan kath boz. Run fast. Tez door.
Thank you. Tushar, next two sentences.
Okay, come back. वापस फेर. Wear my clothes. Now palav lag.
Wear new clothes.
Okay, sorry. Wear new clothes. Now palav lag.
Naive. Wear. Naive palav lag. Very good.
Naive palav lag.
Very good. PDF of this lesson will be posted on the WhatsApp group. Please take printouts and maintain a file. Try and use the learned words and sentences in your daily routine. If you have you have nobody else to talk to yourself in the mirror. It is important that you use these words daily. It will help you memorize them and use them in daily conversation. Don't worry, you don't have to jumpstart creating sentences. You can use Kashmiri words and insert them in Hindi and English sentences like we do in Hindi. Mein jaise bhi we mix up English and Hindi, doesn't matter. You can do that. For example, I am Vare or I ate butter. Val, actually this should be Val. It should be you. There is a mistake here. So something like this just to have some fun. Okay. This is just an assignment. Read, repeat, and write all words, sentences you read. Today, record them. Listen to yourself. Do it every day. Practice and self-assess yourself. Assess yourself. Okay. This is a mistake. Assess hona chahiye. Step 2. Select any 10 sentences from above. Write them and then read them. Step 3, record audio and video. Step 4, with your self-assessment feedback, as in how do you feel, where do you stand, what difficulties you are facing, etc. Also post pages and video to our another assistant teacher, Mrs. Kosam, okay, on WhatsApp number this. Please don't post any assignment on Kosam WhatsApp group. Tell us your roll number and name in the video also. Okay. Important. All class homework needs to be submitted by Wednesday. I think wo abhi ho raha hai shayad. I hope so. Homework marks shall be counted for evaluation. Those who have already attended our previous classes and are here for revision need not send us their assignments for this lesson. Okay. another thing wanted last we had made some peer groups. Anybody use that peer group? के सब किसने peer group use किया है? Anybody talk to anybody? Shruti, yes. Anybody? Nobody else?
Last time for one day, like after the last class, संजीव जी ने मुझसे कुछ questions पूछे थे.
हाँ.
तो वो मैंने उनके साथ उस दिन use किया था peer group. उसके बाद use नहीं हो पाया.
No problem. Even if you do once or twice in a week, it is, I think, perfectly all right. Lekin I think you start doing that. It is much easier. And no one got it. I am repeating again today. Anytime you feel one or you don't understand properly, you can refer to any one of us, one group may or individually, no problem. You are welcome to post your requests or whatever confusions are there. ग्रुप जो वॉलंटियर छो तने सीखो तो सूजित क्लिप या क्वेश्चन या रिटन जो भी कुछ होगा ठीक है. I think anybody has any question, otherwise I'll close this presentation, then we can still talk for some time.
I have one question. It's way back from earlier.
Sure. No,
The word for mountain, it's when the word for mountain came up.
Sangur.
So I thought when I remember lesson 4, it says that mountain is also ko. So I wasn't sure if that's right. Something else.
No, actually ko is a hill. It is not mountain. Actually, there's a difference between hill and mountain. Mountain is a big hill.
Right.
Okay, so ko is hill actually, and Sangur is mountain or pahad. Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
No issue. Anything else? Then I can close this presentation. Then we can go. Okay, I'll stop sharing and then let's start talking again. Seema ji?
Yeah, can you go? I have trouble with yeah, not uch chuntagan. Magar byak was the last sentence in the lesson was like, I don't remember, but I think Tushar read it. You said like uch. What was the word?
You want me to again show? No problem. I'll share again. Don't worry. Just look at this. Which one?
The last sentence that he had to read.
No problem. Last. Okay. Tell me.
No.
Yeah, not like new.
See, it is no with the top, and with the A and the circle on top is no. It is not na. It is na. And V and top superscript I means where naive. It is with a very slight touch of year. That is how superscript is there. So naive. If you can relate it with Devanagari, since you don't know Devanagari, otherwise you would have been able to decipher it better. Actually, agar aap dono padhenge na, so it is much easier. Sometimes you don't understand this, you'll understand this. I think if you try to understand both of them, that is much better. Okay. Anything else? Anything else? Okay, I'll stop the sharing. Anything else, please go ahead. Ahana, you are doing fantastic. Kach Ahana kach tamsis mein kat kar.
Ahana, well. Yeah, let's talk to you. He's not recording.
Panchu cha tagan kinne? Tagan chi? Tagan matlab, do you know now how to speak? Yeah. Yes. Ab koi cheez yaad thagun jo imzanes vowel, whichever vowels we have understood how to pronounce them, you remember them properly. Okay. Once you remember them, you can do a syllable by syllable. You can read those, no problem. And then once you get a grip on that, फिर आपको कभी भी तकलीफ नहीं. Last time you were fantastic when you were there. So इस बारी आप शर्मा क्यों रही थी? Why you were not coming forth? So whether your mom dad is there or not, you should always join. Okay. Okay. Good. Thank you. God bless you. When you are Neil ji. Anything else you wanted to say?
No. One thing I was just thinking is that for some of the words, especially like sock and dod, it's almost like you're just mentioning how if you read the Devanagari, which I can do a little bit, and the English, it makes it easier when you look at both. But with the third one, the Perso-Arabic script, the Nastaliq, it actually lends itself almost better to Kashmiri in certain ways. Like the all you know, like it sounds like all or wa or va sometimes in dod and sok. Like in Nastalik, if anyone knows it, that's actually the perfect use of that.
It is because of only one thing, because you can pronounce those letters or these asterisks very properly. It's the same thing. I do it only in Roman now.
Yeah.
Tell you frankly, as I told you last time also, मैं वो सायरनी which was मैं सिर्फ रोमनस में करा मैं चु यल्जन मैं बासिक के मतलब अभी कभी मैं मिस्टेक निकालता हूँ कि वो देवनागरी में गलत लिखा है क्योंकि हमने यहाँ बराबर लिखा है. So it doesn't matter. It's a question of getting used to. जैसे नस्तलिक, I know Urdu. I can also read it, but I purposely don't read it for one reason. Reason is that since इसमें मेरे को खाली देवनागरी और रोमन सिखाना है, then I get a little confused because I keep all the things come in my mind, you know. So when you are doing fantastic work, जो आप actually you at least you आपने accent जो है ना हर एक letter का आपने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मतलब grab किया है. So one is खतरे बड़ मस्त लगा. So you have to keep talking to Seema ji and Hana. Okay, very good. You can prompt them without the class. After the class, in the class you can always prompt them, but they can Tambagar to get prompt. Chalo. Shruti ji, anything? Please feel free.
Question.
Venimara.
Aklafuz's last lesson is ventilator khatre verb.
Verb.
What kind of ventilator is it that I have to
See, what you say, there is normally जैसे आपने देखा कभी exhaust fan के लिए कितना ये ऊपर में बना देते हैं, एक exhaust fan के लिए एक छोटा सा grill जैसा बना देते हैं. इथी ऐसा आसान कश्मीर locket pattern है, square or rectangular openings used to be there. तातश बनाना ही वो.
Okay.
So this was a ventilator only. तातश असली आसान. It used to have wooden craft. बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से एनग्रेव किया रहता था. It was very nicely made actually. So तातश बना वो. Basically it is just rectangular or square, anything, but on top, and it used to give light also, and it used to give ventilation. क्या इसकी कश्मीर में क्या हो? कश्मीर में जो आसान generally because of ठंड, sorry, you know ये ठंड इस कारण ठंड की नहीं लगा ना दूर रस लगा. तम की नहीं से बनी one can थमा दूर याल, but circulation of air gets cut in, तम से वो थमा पड़ती है. ठीक है. that is one of verb. Okay, anything else? मनीषा जी आप कोई क्वेश्चन है किसी ने? हाँ बोले go ahead सीमा जी.
Okay, that was awesome, by the way, the verb explanation. That was so cool to envision. So thank you for asking and sharing that. Also, I think in the chat, like there's so many things that come in the chat that I sometimes get like confused. And one was the keyboard. I'm like, I feel like I'm technically challenged. Like I just wanted, if someone could speak about, should we get that keyboard? And somebody also said to student, please show your homework because this is an ideal homework. So I don't know if that was posted and what we should be doing.
One thing I can tell Seema ji, because I think Kashmir karo thoda mixed so that you can understand both.
Yeah.
So what we can do is that you are using an Android phone or you're using iPhone?
iPhone.
If you're using iPhone, I also use the iPhone. Then you go there, I will just show you. It will be much easier for you. Take anything and just let me show you something, then it becomes much easier. Use this cursor. Can you see this? Can you see this keyboard? Bas yoho ich atpachi soyri tim asterisk. Now kitpatin cha asterisk thani. Now just जैसे ये O है. Now when you touch on this, you can see the other one, hidden one also.
Okay.
So what you need to do, जैसे मैं अभी let me go to the normal Roman. If I want to write something, A has so many asterisks. You can choose any one of them. Okay. So you have to press it, then select with another hand that particular vowel or whatever is there. Okay.
Okay. So do you recommend Deutsche? But
I'll tell you one thing. Use Deutsche if your iPhone, if your cursor your keyboard, this is best.
Okay.
But if you are using Android, that's my सारी खतर पकाने खतर. That's my Hindi keyboard best, not cursor. Hindi is much सारी. Actually हुआ क्या है कि as I told you beginning में मैंने बताया था आपको कि there are two versions which are now in the market, but most of the literature is written using Isparnavansh. There is a new literature, there are some couple of additional, there we use six vowels, they use 8 vowels. तो उसके लिए थोड़ा दूसरा कीबोर्ड है. At the end of it, actually I have devised some myself. On that I have written a small note, and I will share with you later on. I don't want to share with you now because you will confuse you. I don't want to do that. At the end of this, I will share it that I have made for myself. क्या इसके बुचुस लेखन शारदा थे, तो शारदा में सो दोयम कीबोर्ड यूज कराना, एक्शन पैकी कराना कीबोर्ड. तो तिम एक्सेंट एडिशनल की वोवेल्स तिम से साथ में यूज करना. सो डोंट वरी. तो यू यूज हिंदी, जो हिंदी अगर एंड्रॉइड है then use the Hindi keyboard. उसमें सब कुछ है. There are 4 keywords in keyboards. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one has 4x4 has all these things there. You can check. Okay. Sarni khat, it is for general consumption. Okay. Tushar, you let me ask Tushar. Tushar, you write on the this thing mobile पर चुक तो लेखा.
हाँ, मैं नॉर्मल हिंदी कीबोर्ड यूज करता हूँ.
हाँ, एंड्रॉइड.
एंड्रॉइड.
अभी एक ही चीज है जो मैं पर्सनली प्रॉब्लम बता रहा हूँ. जहां तक ये आईफोन है, when you write Roman, you cannot write T with a dot in the bottom, you cannot write D with a dot in the bottom, or you cannot write superscript I. So for that I have to really work on the Android has T with a dot, D with a dot. On Sanskrit it is there, but then superscript I is not there. So I have to really, both of us, Shivani or me or somebody, we have to use different methodologies of taking a superscript and pasting it there. So which is little cumbersome right now. We do not find any one such keyboard which does all that. So koi baat nahi, doesn't matter. So generally I'm saying that in case you want to use, you can use that. But we'll share in the end. I will share you what, as I told you, I will share with you. So that becomes much easier for all of you. In the meantime, whichever keyboard, if you're using this is the best for writing in Roman. But again, T with a dot is not there, D with a dot is not there, I script is not there. The the, that is not there.
शायद फिर शुरू मंज बकर सिर्फ अतिसित
नहीं, वैसे भी आपको हाथ से ही लिखना चाहिए पहले. Now I don't want you to write mobile. I'm just telling you in case, since you raised keyboard, I want you to write. You will not believe how much I have written. I have this whole book. This is all written, handwritten. So you don't start with this. Whether it is Sharda or Kashmiri or any other language, start writing with your own hands. Once you are comfortable writing, then you can choose any keyboard. Doesn't matter.
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ पूछी सवाल कैसे ये WhatsApp chat इसमें मैं तो मिशन ये तरह
नहीं कोई बात नहीं.
अगर बकर, yeah, I'll just write it out.
You're never
Atsit. Nothing better than writing. Nothing better.
Thank you so much.
I पीछे में आपका वो, see, these are the greetings on in Sharda on Guru Purnima. I have written myself by hand. I don't use. I can use a keyboard. This is a keyboard, but I write, because what happens is when you write with your own hands, you actually remember how to write. Otherwise, the keyboard does it for you, so you don't have to do much. Same way, in fact, मतलब आपको लगता होगा कि इनको तो easy हो जाता है. I'll just show you something from my notes which I use daily. For your lesson also, what the lesson I am taking sometimes, I have to remember some particular words or letters. I don't refer to any printed material, or I don't go to this. I actually use paper and write there. If I have here, I don't know. I have here. No, I don't think I have it on this. Probably somewhere else. But use hand. What I'm saying, that use hand. Write with your own hand, and that is the best. I can like to pour ice panic situation if it on figure pronunciation chai pan oxygen look, nothing like that. Because then it is much using is that is for speed. Jald jald ya you want it to be neatly written somewhere, you want to write an article there, it is okay. But for this thing, it is not really good for learning. It's person I say स्कूल में इस परनामा नोटबुक पर 4 लाइन में A B C या I ऐसे इथे पोछे एक बार वो सब हो गया, then you don't worry, पता तेरे पाने पे हमेशा. Okay, तुषार, any other question?
नहीं, अभी तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
मानसी जी, और कुछ है?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं. मुझे वो पोइन वाले सारे फैमिली प्रैक्टिस करना है.
हाँ, नहीं, आपने तो बहुत अच्छा किया है, बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, ये जो पोइन है ना, सो ये का जानबूझकर हमने हालत दिखाया है जस्ट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड कि जब हम हिंदी देवनागरी पढ़ते हैं तो ये इज ओनली आधा, पोन्य नहीं, पोन्य नहीं, ये नहीं है, ये का आधा ही पढ़ना है, पोइन. हाँ, राइट. हाँ, ओके. मनीषा जी, और कुछ आपको, यू आर ड्राइविंग, एनीथिंग यू वांटेड टू आस्क? स्टिल देयर? Shruti ji, you are saying something on the chat. Tell me.
Yeah. No, actually, the reason I clarified was, the first thing that comes to mind for
ventilator. Acha, you are talking about that oxygen ventilator. Oh.
Then I thought that if they didn't have ventilator in those days, if they have a specific word for it, it must be something else.
We thought it was
It's a revelation. Imagine telling a patient, "आपका patient तो जी WOP पे है." It was really horrible. I would have done it any which way, thinking WOP is ventilator.
नहीं. आपकी जो याद था उनके, these are certain new inventions where we use the same English word or whichever with the background, whatever it comes, which is Latin, whether it's German, we generally use the same words which are scientific creations. But whatever is original, house and this thing. Actually, I would like you to do one thing. Off the cuff, it has come to me. Just try to write all the Kashmiri words of whatever you find in the home. Window, door, roof, chat. Just write and just practice that. And I think I swear it लगभग सारी लफ्ज़. But just no poromotaisu. Tamsi tarifikri makes you paron. So you can even ask and you can, this is another way of learning. मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ आपको कि मैं जब संस्कृत अभी आजकल सीख रहा हूँ तो पहले names of all the items. So what is a table, what is a bottle, what is this? Unless you understand this, you cannot speak. So you should try that. I think that's a good way of getting around. ठीक है, बेके. Mansi ji, anything else?
नहीं, मेरे साइड से और कुछ नहीं. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Anybody else? Then anybody? Yes. क्या?
मेरे को ये जो हम लोग अभी वॉब का डिस्कशन कर रहे थे कि वॉब मतलब जो एग्जॉस्ट का जगह होता है किचन में या कहीं पे, तो मुझे पैंडेमिक जब शुरू हुआ था यहाँ पे, तो मैं अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स में से किसी को बोलते हुए सुन रहा था कि ये छु अख वबा.
Waba means it's an epidemic. It is not. That's something else. Let us not get into that. We'll get to those words. There are various words, vocabulary, but इसलिए जैसे मास्टर जी ने लिखा है ना कि इस जो लेसन में stick to what we are teaching you. There are a lot of words. जब बीच में मैं भी आपको बोलता हूँ कि कभी जैसे वर, garden मैंने बोला, and it's a small earthen pot also is called वर. कश्मीर में अर्दन वो पॉट में, वर में दही जमाते थे. अगर हम लोग जब खीर बनवानी जाते थे तो वहाँ एक वर में ही मिलता था दही. मतलब वो एक बहुत ही अच्छा टेस्ट रहता था, मतलब because it drives away all moisture is gone. It is really thick, this thing, because of the porosity of that. तो इसमें ऐसा बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Don't worry, अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन है ना, apart from cursing, you can just send us to anybody. तो शिवानी जी भेजिए, मेरे को भेजिए, आपको करुणा जी को भेजिए या कोसम जी को भेजिए. You can send this whatever clarifications are, no problem. But let us first understand what we are teaching. What will happen is that you will get confused. So I want you to first, जैसे मास्टर जी ने बताया, let us stick to that content what is shown here. and your sentences seems and shit tim venu to garas mas dohoy Neil ji you three of you are learning Kashmiri, it is very good to isu panve kathan katki karan koshik Shruti taiko shu garas mas banan koshik
which is WhatsApp is but mummy papa sit karan
तो तम साथ हम गेस करें का तम से कशिर पटी काट करें doesn't matter गलत होगा ठीक होगा don't worry because sketch करें उस दपान जो ताने perfect गैस तो तम parawness ना ऐसा कुछ हाँ when you कैसे बड़ा गलत गैस तो जितना विंजन विंजन मानसी जी वन point one में दोयत related में बासी में कुछ है का करे इतना पे नेर तक ना so 40 nearest अच्छी 40 near in कशिर पे so जो पाने के साथ ठीक correction जी के साथ पाने so action के परवाह you keep practicing sorry guys and मतलब बुचुस दोमना में कशर तगान मगर बुचुस बिनती परान आफ्टर कैटली कैसे के मेरे उस वायरस चीज मतलब ऐसा बायस था कि इस तरीके से वर्ड पढ़ा जाता तो but now this is the correct way of reading the word or pronouncing the word master ji chuvan the type of chupa
yeah
even हाँ when you are
I'll want to suggest one thing to Seema ji and Neil ji. Like, I'll tell you a story. When I was really little, my parents used to speak more Kashmiri with each other. And I guess I was maybe around Ahana's age at the time when they used to think that they can speak with each other in Kashmiri and I won't understand it. So all their secret messages would be in Kashmiri. At one point, I was just standing between them and I started looking up at my parents and responding. And a little bit, and they were surprised that oh no, now our secrets are in the open, kind of like oh no, she understands everything. So, yeah, we would speak with each other and you know try and make it a game for Ahana. I think she will really enjoy that.
There was a similar fun last time. We had a mother-in-law last time. No, daughter-in-law, the mother-in-law being Kashmiri. So she was saying कि मिचुप हेचुन की कशर की वो क्या बोलती है तो मैंने बोला ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है because what happens is that the beauty of that word of any language you express love or affection somebody unless you understand that word well in Kashmiri you cannot translate that, you cannot do anything, that expression on the face and the word, if you don't understand the word you don't make any sense of it. तो इसलिए शु जरूरी सो लफ्ज हेचुन पता सुई वन तो it related के गलत क्या शुन पता है चलो thank you very much. I think we had a long session today. Chalo namaskar and God bless you all of you. Thank you.
Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaskar.